Hear the trumpet blow across the valley low. 12 tribes calling, children rise and know. Early morning sun arise so bright, golden beam cut through the night. Ancient voice a bring the light, guide the children to the right. From Genesis, words long told, stories deeper than silver or gold. Hidden truths begin and fold, for the brave and for the bold. Babylon scatter we far and wide, different tongue, different side, but your covenant still abide in every heart inside. From Judah lion roar again, Benjamin sing redemption strain. Prophecy run through every vein, breaking every chain. 12 tribes calling, hear the trumpet sounding. Lost sheep now surrounding. 12 tribes calling, 12 tribes calling. Ancient truth resounding, Babylon ground trembling. 12 tribes calling. From Reuben to Levi line, every tribe a sacred sign. Destiny by Jah design, spirit intertwined. Joseph's dreams still live today, guiding children on the way. Even when them go astray, light reveal the ray. Ephraim wisdom calm and wise, lift the blindfold from the eyes. Teach the youth to realize, truth no compromise. Dan stand firm with righteous might, guardian of justice fight. Protect the weak from wicked bite, defender of the right. 12 tribes calling, Mount Zion road unfolding, righteous heart upholding. 12 tribes calling, hear me now. Tribe no mean division wall, tribe a reminder for one and all. Different path but same root call, unity stand tall. From scripture page to modern street, every soul of him meet. Purpose written in a heartbeat, destiny complete. Me see the youth them search for name, lost in Babylon game, but tribe identity reclaim, burn away the shame. From Kingston yard to African plain, same blood run through the vein. Those centuries full of pain, heritage retain. Old prophets whisper through the breeze, songs carried across the seas. History written in our trees, truth never cease. So when confusion cloud the sight, and wrong pretend be right, hear the tribes unite tonight, march to our delight. 12 tribes calling, hear the drum roll rolling, faithful hearts and rolling. 12 tribes calling, 12 tribes calling. Prophecy unfolding, red, gold and green upholding. 12 tribes calling. Man forget him origin root, trade wisdom for shiny suit, chasing wealth and empty loot, while truth stay mute. But tribe remind the one running soul, life a sacred living scroll. installing, 12 tribes calling, Rastafari's proclaiming, Zion gate awaiting, 12 tribes calling. Hey, come 12, come on, children of Jah, march on.
Yeah, man. Hear the echo from the mountainside. Bassline roll like thunder tide. Up from the hills, high up where the cool breeze blow. Miss the mountain, watch below. City lights are flicker slow, but truth here steady glow. Babylon noise fade away. In the hills where elders pray, every sunrise clear the way for righteous drop today. Stone and river tell the tale, ancient wisdom never fail. Though corruption try prevail, truth shall set the sail. From the roots deep in a soil, through the struggle, sweat and toil, life itself a sacred coil, free from Babylon spoil. Up from the hills, echo through the valley still, spiritual fire fi fulfill. Up from the hills, up from the hills, where the lion heart stands still, truth louder than iron will. Up from the hills, old man sit on bamboo chair, dreadlocks waving mountain air, eyes full wisdom everywhere, truth beyond compare. Him say youth guard your mind well, Babylon spin wicked spell, but righteous soul no ever sell, nor in corruption dwell. Hear the guitar skunk slow and deep, Nyaya bingy drum start fi speak, message fi the strong and weak, secrets fi the meek. From the valley come the cry, hungry you talks reason why. Dub response reach to the sky, lift them spirits high. Dub from the hills, rolling like the ancient drills, healing broken hearts and wills. Dub from the hills, hear me now. Mountain quiet but message loud, no need for shout above the crowd. Bassline heavy like thunder cloud, truth humble yet proud. When the echo touch the soul, broken spirit become whole. Music deeper than control, double snare the roll. City chase illusion fast, future soul to feed the past, but mountain wisdom built to last, true foundation cast. Youth come seeking clarity, find the root of liberty. One each ocean set them free from captivity. Dub no only rhythm sweet, it a heartbeat when souls meet. Every bassline repeat, liberation beat. From Kingston Yard to Hilltop Green, sound vibration intervene, bridge the gap between unseen, make and throne supreme. Up from the hills, carry truth through time and wills, break the silence, break the chills. Up from the hills, up from the hills, healing deep emotional respect. Power now in gold display. Now in throne where tyrants stay. Power living humble way. Truth them cannot slay. Mountain statue, storm and rain. Witness joy and witness pain. Still the dub echo again. Freedom in the vein. So when confusion cloud the sight and the world seem lost in fight, listen close in the night. Dub restore the light. Dub from the hills, echo through the valley still. Righteous message fi fulfill. Dub from the hills. Dub from the hills. Dub from the hills. Dub from the hills. Dub from the hills.
Hear the trumpet blow across the valley low. 12 tribes calling, children rise and know. Early morning sun arise so bright, golden beam cut through the night. Ancient voice I bring the light, guide the children to the right. From Genesis, words long told, stories deeper than silver or gold. Hidden truths begin and fold, for the brave and for the bold. Babylon scatter we far and wide, different tongue, different side, but your covenant still abide in every heart inside. From Judah lion roar again, Benjamin sing redemption strain. Prophecy run through every vein, breaking every chain. 12 tribes calling, hear the trumpet sounding. Lost sheep now surrounding. 12 tribes calling, 12 tribes calling. Ancient truth resounding, Babylon ground trembling. 12 tribes calling. From Reuben to Levi line, every tribe a sacred sign. Destiny by Jah design, spirit intertwined. Joseph's dreams still live today, guiding children on the way. Even when them go astray, light reveal the ray. Ephraim wisdom calm and wise, lift the blindfold from the eyes. Teach the youth to realize, truth no compromise. Dan stand firm with righteous might, guardian of justice fight. Protect the weak from wicked bite, defender of the right. 12 tribes calling, Mount Zion road unfolding, righteous heart upholding. 12 tribes calling, hear me now. Tribe no mean division wall, tribe a reminder for one and all. Different path but same root call, unity stand tall. From scripture page to modern street, every soul shame. From Kingston Yard to African Plain, same blood run through the vein. Those centuries full of pain, heritage remain. Old prophets whisper through the breeze, songs carried across the seas, history written in our trees, truth never cease. So when confusion cloud the sight, and wrong pretend be right, hear the tribes unite tonight, march to our delight. Great parades calling, hear the drum roll rolling, fearful hearts and rolling. 12 tribes calling, 12 tribes calling, prophecy unfolding, red, gold and green upholding. 12 tribes calling. Man forget him origin root, trade wisdom for shiny suit, chasing wealth and empty loot, while truth stay mute. But tribe remind the one running soul, life a sacred living scroll. Self-knowledge make you whole, that are the ultimate goal. Unity no empty talk, it a action in a walk. Love louder than gunshot bark, light inside the dark. So beat the trumpet clear and strong, join the ancient freedom song, where every tribe belong, bring Jah kingdom long. Where trade is calling, hear the trumpet calling, ancient truth installing. 12 tribes calling, Rastafari's proclaiming, Zion gate awaiting. 12 tribes calling, hey. Come 12, come on, children of Jah, march on.
Yeah, man. Hear the echo from the mountainside. Bassline roll like thunder tide. Up from the hills, high up where the cool breeze blow. Miss the mountain, watch below. City lights are flicker slow, but truth here steady glow. Babylon noise fade away. In the hills where elders pray, every sunrise clear the way for righteous drop today. Stone and river tell the tale, ancient wisdom never fail. Though corruption try prevail, truth shall set the sail. From the roots deep in a soil, through the struggle, sweat and toil, life itself a sacred coil, free from Babylon spoil. Up from the hills, echo through the valley still, spiritual fire fi fulfill. Up from the hills, up from the hills, where the lion heart stands still, truth louder than iron will. Up from the hills, old man sit on bamboo chair, dreadlocks waving mountain air, eyes full wisdom everywhere, truth beyond compare. Him say youth guard your mind well, Babylon spin wicked spell, but righteous soul no ever sell, nor in corruption dwell. Hear the guitar skunk slow and deep, Nyaya Message for the strong and weak, secrets for the meek. From the valley come the cry. Hungry youth ask reason why. Dub response reach to the sky. Lift them spirits high. Dub from the hills, rolling like the ancient trills, healing broken hearts and wills. Dub from the hills. Hear me now. Mountain quiet but message loud. No need for shout above the crowd. Bassline heavy like thunder cloud. Truth humble yet proud. When the echo touch the soul, broken spirit become whole. Music deeper than control. Double snare the roll. City chase illusion fast. Future soul to feed the past. But mountain wisdom built to last. True foundation cast. Youth come seeking clarity. Find the root of liberty. One each ocean set them free from captivity. Dub no only rhythm sweet. It a heartbeat when souls meet. Every bassline repeat, liberation beat. From Kingston Yard to Hilltop Green, sound vibration intervene. Bridge the gap between unseen hate and throne supreme. Up from the hills, carry truth through time and wills. Break the silence, break the chills. Up from the hills. Up from the hills, healing deep emotional spills. Spiritual river never still. Up from the hills. Silence teach what noise forget. Peace reveal what fear regret. Every soul in sacred debt to love and respect.